Shout out po mga kamasters. May assembly po ngayong gabi. Tara't samahan niyo po akong manood ng assembly sa sentro po ng Barangay Hall.
Committee Chairman of Women's and Family. Honorable Kagawad Salvador M. Warmata, Committee Chairman on Appropriation and Peace in Order. Honorable Antonio M. Perez, Committee Chairman on Environment. Honorable Juanito C. Bayos, Committee Chairman on Education, Rules and Privileges. Honorable Winifredo I. Azur, Committee Chairman on Agriculture. Honorable Monroe E. Meriges, IPMR, Representative. Honorable John Ray M. Iscano, SK Chairman. Honorable Jennifer L. Wafirina, Committee Chairman on Health and Tourism.